micromobility vehicles, and that's going to include things like licensing for users and suppliers. Are you in support of this?
Yeah, I know this is only a plan. It's something that actually when I met back in 2020, I met MOP, Ministry of Transport. I did have some discussion with the authorities about this to legalize it. The problem here is the act that we have is not that clear. When we have, because it's stated that it be written only on gazetted area, but because most of the users now, as you can see, we talk about in KL, right? We have so many operators that operate electric scooters business, right? But these users use the electric scooters really on the main road, whereby we are not supposed to, right? So to me, any regulation that the government should be more specific, more detailed, so that people will be more understand. And on PEV Malaysia, we do support the discussion on legalize the micromobility in Malaysia. Yes.
Are there countries with legislation in place on this that Malaysia could look to?
The nearest that I know is Singapore. Yeah.
Now, given the wide variety of micromobility vehicles around, can you tell us, I mean, as you pointed out, there are reasons that people enjoy using them, but what are some of the safety concerns as well?
Well, what